I'm Tony Mirabel. I've been living in Virginia Beach since 1999. This is actually an upgrade. This is a dog ear fence, so this is better than what I had before. And as far as the process, they sent the team out here. In a day and a half, they were finished. They came out, they brought the wood, they set it in the driveway overnight. They came in, and once the guys got started, it was no time at all. Within a day and a half, they were cleaning up. As you can see, there's no mess or anything. They took everything. The guys worked hard. They poured cement, put up the wood. Highly skilled men. And it was just quick. Before I know it, I thought it would take a week. Honestly, I thought it would take a week. But in a day and a half, they were out of here. And you can just look for yourself. This is beautiful. Better than I expected. I'm very, very pleased with the team they sent out. Very professional, highly skilled. Yeah, I would have them come out here and do it again. I'm very, very lucky to have found Solid Structures. I would recommend Solid Structures to anyone. Matter of fact, as they were putting up my fence, my neighbor saw what they were doing, and he had them work on his fence too. They did a great job right next door on his fence. He was so impressed with their work as they were working on my fence, and the finished product next door. He's also a happy customer as well, my next door neighbor. I would highly recommend them to anyone who wants to get a new fence done efficiently, quickly, and affordable.